This is a 1 minute candlestick chart, and right now market is moving strongly in the upward direction. And if we go by the trend, as you can see, this is the market higher high, and market goes strongly in the downward direction, and that's why this is the retracement, or we can say correction by the market. But we will say that market is moving in a downtrend, so we will try to take trade in the downward direction as much as possible, because trend is our friend. So right now I don't see any clear indication from the chart, but this is a sign that market wants to reverse. So we will try to draw some key levels here, and after that we'll try to take a trade. So I will start with this trend line, and as you can see, market is respecting it and is reversing from the same level. Now I will draw one more trend line here. Okay, so we'll try to use this one. So now as you can see, this is a range. Market is moving in this range, so what we can expect here is a breakout in the downward direction, because when you find these type of pattern, these type of chart patterns, then you can expect a breakout and you can trade with the breakout as well. So market is moving strongly. We will try to wait for some correction and some confirmations by the market, then only we are going to trade. Let's include this one now. So this is one setup, and now let's I will try to so we will try to change the chart to find more opportunities, because we can't just wait on a single chart. So as you can see, in this case also market was strongly moving in the downward direction. It retraces back, formed double top and reverses back. This now, as the market is at the support level, as you can see, I'll try to make it bold. Now it's quite visible. So this is a support level. I will try to create a zone, because support and resistance level are always present in a zone. So this is the zone of resistance, and we will try to draw an area. Why? Because I guess so. Now this is the range of market. Now in such case, what we can expect, we always have to wait for a breakout, because market is currently moving in a box which is a pressure situation, and in such case a breakout will give you a good trading opportunity. So we will try to wait on this chart as well. So right now we have got two trading opportunity. One is here and the second one is on this chart. As you can see, market is trying to break, and right now I'll not take this as a breakout because that's not that clear. So as you can see, market reverses back, and we also got a level of support here. It is a whole number. So as we all know that when it comes to support and resistance which are on a whole number, they works really good, and this is the same level. You can see market was respecting this level for a very long time, so I don't want to go against it, and that's why market even breaking this trend line reverses back. So let's wait. Even if we get a breakout here, we will wait for a breakout from this support level, because some of the buyers might be waiting to enter here. So it's better to wait for some clear breakout, then only take your trade. So let's wait. As you can see, market is still moving inside that range, and that is all about it right now. As you can see, market is trying, which is a good thing. So we will wait, because as at the end market is going to break it, so let's wait when it's going to happen. Right now, if this candle, which is looking good right now, if this candle breaks through this support level, we can place our trade for the sell here. So let's wait, and we are going to take a 5-minute trade as we are trading with the trend. As you can see, market is rejecting from the same level because of the buying pressure. So I will try to create an alert. So right now we have an alert on this level, so we don't have to look over this chart again. I will try to switch to Euro US dollar, and we will try to stick with this chart only because the second one have our notification. Right now, as you can see, market is going downward, and in such case, do not always be patient, because if you're not calm enough, then you will not okay, market has reached our level. We got the notification. This is the notification, and market reverses back from the same level, as you can see. But it's a good sign, as market in the future is going to break it, and it is going to be a good trading setup. I will try to draw an area here. So this is the area, and what I will do, I will remove this now. So now we have got these levels. Market is at the support level, so let's wait, and as soon as we get the opportunity, we will try to take a trade. This is looking good. The setup is quite healthy, and we can trust this level, but we need a clear breakout. Right now, market is rejecting from the very level because it's a strong level of support. So let's wait. Market formed a strong bullish candlestick pattern here, and it might be the case that market can reverse and will make one more price action here. So we will again try to create an alert here actually. So this is the alert, and we will go back to Euro US dollars. And same scenario here, market is, the volume is missing right now, and I think it will going to take some more time, as market is currently not moving that strongly. Let's see what is going on in this chart, and still same scenario, not much price action here. So we will stick with both these chart. That's the only thing we can do right now. So I will fast forward this video at the time when I get a trading opportunity. So let's wait. I'm going to fast forward this video. So I have taken a trade here. We got a clear breakout, and that's all. Let's wait for the result, and after the result, I will try to explain you why I took this trade. The setup looks great to me, and so let's wait for the result. I have taken a 5-minute trade here because we are trading in the direction of the trend, which is downtrend. So let's wait. So we have won this trade by a big margin. Now let me explain you why I took this trade. The reason were quite good and was simple. So the first thing which I noticed in this chart was the trend. I saw that market was moving strongly in the downward direction. So this is the retracement phase of the market. Now if this is the retracement phase, at the end of this retracement phase, there is going to be the continuation of the trend again, which is downtrend. So I was more focused on taking a trade in the downward direction, because with that I will go with the trend. So the first thing was the trend. The second thing which I noticed, that market was at the support level. Let me remove it first. So market was moving strongly in the upward direction. This was the trend line I draw to see if market will break this resistance level or not, but in this case it didn't, and it reverses back. Market was moving in the range. Let me draw you the range. This was the range. I will change the color, 1 second. So this was the range market was following, and when you see such kind of range, such kind of chart pattern, wedge pattern, then you can expect a breakout in the downward direction and can place a trade. But I didn't place my trade with the breakout of this wedge. Why? Because the reason was simple. I saw that there is a whole number level which is 0.84550, and market was actually respecting this level quite surely. So in my mind, I thought even if market break this level, this support trend line, then even market can reverse from this support level, because this is a strong level of support. So I thought that if I get a breakout from both these support lines, support zones, then the market will going to go for the next support level, which is like here, here, or here. So I got enough room. This was the strong next support level. It looks strong, and this is ultimately a stronger level. So for me, if market break these two levels, market will go in the downward direction. So for me, a breakout was necessary. While I was watching this chart, I found out that if you look carefully on this chart only, and you know the price action, when market moves in the downward direction, it creates lower highs, then lower low, then lower high, and then lower low. If you look carefully here, you will see that this is the lower high, this is the lower low, the next lower high. And what can you expect in a downtrend market? After creating a lower high, what can you expect? Market will create a lower low. So to create a lower low, market has to go down, and if market wants to go down, it has to break this level and will going to hit the next strong support level, which is like here and here. So we have got enough room. The price action was there, the trend was there, and I got the breakout. It was a strong candlestick. Market was not in a mood of buying, as the price action suggests that market wants to go down. The candlestick suggested that the market wants to go down, and the volume was also good here. The momentum was there, and that's why I took this trade and won this trade easily.